default is, I think, is Kali, and the password also is Kali, but you can change it later on. So I'll just log in. It should log in. Yeah. Boom. So now we are in a PC. This is a PC, different PC, and my physical PC I am having already. You get me? This is my physical PC, and I have a virtual environment. This one, which I'm having another PC Linux, which has another PC with the Linux operating system. You get me? So basically, I'm using Windows as in my physical computer, and on a virtual environment, I'm using Linux. So yeah, hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. I hope you're all doing good. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button, and if you're old, thanks for sticking around. Okay, so today, very interesting and very important. So today I'm going to show you how you can, set up a virtual environment. So when I talk about virtual environment, what do I mean by virtual environment? Virtual environment, just think about, having a PC like this, and you have another PC within it. You get me? So normally we do this for testing purposes, and if you want to get to cybersecurity and do some stuffs, you don't have to break the laws. You can do it on your own on your PC. You don't have to buy a new laptop, a new computer to install different operating system. You get me? So the virtual environment is very important. So if you want to get to cybersecurity, it's very important to know about this. So today I'm going to show you how you can set up. It's very simple. You need two things. First of all, you need a virtual environment. So we are going to use VirtualBox. So you have to search for VirtualBox. Open any browser you are using. I'm using Microsoft Edge. This is a VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox. So you get to hit the download button, and then so let's try to get started. So it will take you to the download page. As you can see, we have Windows, macOS, Linux distribution, and all this stuff. So basically, I'm just using Windows, so I'll just go for Windows version. So just click on this, and it will start download. So I'll just cancel it because I've already downloaded it. Right. So let's install it. So this is my virtual environment. Sorry, VirtualBox. So I'll just double click to run it. So after you download, you locate where it is. Normally in the download folder, just double click to open application, and it's very easy to install. Just click on next. Yes, install. So as it is installing, let's move on. Let's open your browser once again. So now we have a VirtualBox, right? So that will be our environment, and we need an operating system to install it. So it will be like you have your PC. So the virtual environment is like a PC, and you need operating system to work around the environments. And when it's talk about operating system, is that environment that's help our computer to work. So now let's see. I think it's okay. It's finished. So our installation is done. It's very fast. So I will not start it for now. I'll click on finish. So now we need an operating system. So let's head on to Linux. I'm going to download Linux operating system. So this is linux.org. Just click on the first link. So manage order, confirm my choices. So we need to download Linux, right? So we have different kind of Linux distribution. You get me? And let me see. Let's look for the ones we are looking for. We're looking for Kali. We want to download Kali Linux. So let's click on Kali. It should open this page for you, right? So mostly we use Kali. So now since this is, we have different types of versions of Linux. As you can see, if you want to boot from a pen drive or USB drive, you want to boot from the cloud through your mobile, so you can install app on your mobile phone. Sorry, Kali Linux. This is they call it Kali Hunter. It's very, very secure. If you want to run Kali on your phone, if you want me to do video about this, just leave a comment and I'll do a video about it. So now let's get to our main video. So we need a virtual machine. So just click on this because this is an installation image for. So if you want to install Linux for your real machine, physical machine, you go for this. But we need virtual machine, so we click on this. And this file is a little bit large, so make sure you have enough space. And you can see we have different kind of environment. Yeah, like the virtual environment. You have VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and QEMU. So remember, we downloaded VirtualBox, right? So we need this file for VirtualBox. So you just click on download this download icon, and it should start. It's around 3 gig. I have it, so I'll just stop it. So after you are done with the installation, okay, so what I'll do is I'll copy this zip file onto your desktop. I'll create a new folder and I'll just paste it in here. I'll paste it here. Then let's run our Oracle VMware. So this is our Oracle VMware. It's open already. So I'm trying to copy the files here so that we can access it. So you can just put it anywhere. I'm just putting it on the desktop. So now it's here already. So let's extract the file. Extract the file. We're doing that. Extract the files to Kali. Okay, so the file we extracted in this folder. So now we have our so now this is our Kali virtual virtual operating system. So now let's go to our virtual environments. Click on add. So first, it was very difficult when adding things. You just have to do everything from like new and install it. But now this file contains everything you need to know, right? You need to do. It's already set up, it's already done. So you just have to add it. It's very simple. So I'll just click on add. Locate the file. I think it's on the desktop folder. Yeah. So I'll just double click to open. Good. And let's click on start. And it should start. If there's no problem, it should start. Powering VM. Okay. So now, no. Okay. So now our Kali is what? Booting. So now we have an operating system in an operating system. So this is a virtual environment. This is a virtual environment, and this is our PCs. So we can install another operating system. It can be either Windows or another Mac. So for instance, if you want to go into cybersecurity and you are trying to do hacking, trying to learn about hacking, so you build PCs, different kind of PCs, then you hack them through this environment to get me, right? So basically, this is why you need to install some of the basics you need to install. The basic reasons you need to install VirtualBox. I hope you are getting me. So if you encounter any errors, just leave it in the comments and I'll come and help you. So now our PC is powered up, and always default is, I think, it's Kali, and the password also is Kali, but you can change it later on. So I'll just log in. It should log in. Yeah. Boom. So now we are in a PC. This is a PC, different PC, and my physical PC I am having already. You get me? This is my physical PC, and I have a virtual environment. This one, which I'm having another PC Linux, which has another PC with the Linux operating system. You get me? So basically, I'm using Windows as in my physical computer, and on a virtual environment, I'm using Linux. So you can open browsers, do all kind of stuffs here. You get me? So I can search for anything here, documentation, Kali tools. So basically, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just show you how you install, virtual environment and set it up. Very simple and very easy. Please, if you are watching this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and share this video. And I hope you enjoy it. And let me know if you want me to do other stuffs within it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.